Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to save your Photoshop file as a JPEG. So let's start the video. At first, make sure your project is ready. Now go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save a Copy. Now a window will pop up. In the Format section, click the drop-down menu and choose JPEG. Then pick the location where you want to save your file and give it a name, hit save. Another box will appear asking for the quality. Slide it to the maximum and then click OK. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.